everybody, Cindy A. Lewis here, and we are in the series Build a Journal. And we're doing some short little pieces to make it easier to build our journal. And one of those is spine reinforcement. Now, you don't have to do this part, but in the spine, sometimes you want to add a little more depth. Now, you can do it with chipboard or cardstock or a linen book cloth. But I thought I had this piece left over from cutting down my cover and wrapping it with fabric. And so I've just cut it to fit exactly. And then we're just going to glue that in, and that will not only cover this where we cut it out, but it'll help add a little bit more to it. So you just cut your fabric or whatever you're using. Spine reinforcement is easy. And so I start with my glue right in the spine itself. And you can see it's kind of soaking in. And then I'm just going to fold this in half and lay it right in the center where it should fit. And then I'm just going to start pushing it in where the glue is. And then glue the sides. This is turned up a little bit just from the fabric. And then make sure that I can close, and I'm getting that in where it should be. Now this has a little extra fabric on this side, so I want to make sure that I can glue this down the best I can. And with that little flip there, it's kind of not wanting to lay down. So if you have something like that, you may want to use some paper clips to hold down your fabric so that it will stay in place. And then just let this set up, let the glue set up, and you should be good to go. And that's a good way to reinforce the spine. All right, thanks so much for watching. Until next time.